Meaning of duchess.
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 Duchess. A duchess is a female member of nobility who holds the title of duchess, which is typically bestowed upon her by a monarch. The title is often inherited or granted to the wife of a duke, who is the male counterpart to a duchess. Duchesses are often associated with high society and are known for their elegance, grace, and sophistication. They are expected to be well educated, cultured, and knowledgeable in a variety of subjects. While the role of a duchess may vary depending on the context and culture, it generally represents a position of honor and prestige.